Hello, my name is Babak Bahadin. Today I'm going to talk about how we can copy selected rows and columns in our table. In the old versions of Stella, you could select the table and copy the data into any Excel file. Or you could select any desired column, for example, this column, and copy it into Excel file. However, if you decided to have these two columns, for example, that was not possible. However, in our new release, you can easily select multiple columns by using Command or Control on your keypad. For example, if I press on Control and select this column or that one, the last one, you can see that I have only data for these two columns. You can do the same for the rows as well. For example, these two rows, and if I come back here and select, you can see that there are only two rows selected here.